Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Note 10 and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. Firstly, go into settings and scroll down. Now tap on themes and click on more over here. Then you can pick one of these themes by clicking on the chosen one, but you can also tap on the search bar and type whatever you want to. Now click on more over here, sorry misclick, and then you can choose theme that you like the best. I will go with, for example, that one, so I have to click on it and choose free over here. Then wait. Now click apply. And when I click home button, I can set theme of my device has changed. But if you want to go back into the default one, you can always go into the same settings, choose themes again, and tap on my themes over here, or choose more, click on profile at the bottom right corner, pick themes over here and tap on one of the default ones. Now click apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!